Hey everyone, welcome to this video. So if you want to know how to add American Express gift card to your Cash App, then this video is for you. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add American Express gift card to Cash App. So first of all, open your Cash app on your device. Now from here, just tap on this profile icon on the top right corner. Now tap on this linked banks. Now tap on this debit card. Now enter your card details, your card number, your expiration date, CVV and your zip code. So after that you have to just tap on this link card, but if you don't have the card, no problem, just tap on this no card. Then tap on continue, just tap here American Express. And just tap on this and there's two options, tap on first one. Now continue to log in. And it will ask you to log in your American Express account. Just write your user ID and password, and after that just tap on login. And if there are any gift card linked with your American Express, then it will be detected on Cash App. So this is how you can easily add American Express gift card to your Cash App. If you think this video is helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel.